fell from the sky.
What is the significance of the devil bird appearing in New York? Unexplained signs in the sky witnessed all over the world. Are these just coincidence or prophetic significance? Welcome to Truth in Bible Prophecy. Thank you, dear friends, for supporting this ministry. Let us look at world events with prophetic lens. Hope you can like this video and share this timely message to all. People all over the world have been witnessing strange lights and unexplained sightings in the sky. The Star reports apocalypse fears as gigantic shadow appears behind clouds on fire. Horrifying footage on what some are calling hell in the clouds has caused a conspiracy frenzy online. Did people really saw the hand of God?
What?
Spain. A family in Spain spotted an unusual blue light in the sky, and the source does not come from the ground. And what happens next is even more shocking.
¿Qué está llegando? Yo qué sé, tarda 24 horas en llegar. ¡Ay, alma de mi! ¡Alma de su raza!
Las Vegas. A video surfaced the internet of a mysterious object crossing the clouds of Las Vegas.
Look at outside. What the f*** is that, yo? Yo, what the?
Is that?
Yo. Oh. What the?
Wichita City in Kansas, where a man was taking a video of the moon.
What in the Sam hell? There's the moon.
But saw something that was not supposed to be there. Two moons at night?
What the Sam hell is that? What the?
SputnikGlobe.com. Has the apocalypse begun? Huge cloud looms over Rhode Island, striking fear in onlookers. The chilling video taken on a ferry off the coast of Rhode Island and posted on YouTube left onlookers with a feeling of doom, as some described it as looking like the apocalypse. ABC News dubs this unexplainable sightings as end of times cloud phenomenon. BC News Hand of God spotted by NASA Space. Religion and astronomy may not overlap often, but a new NASA X-ray image captures a celestial object that resembles the hand of God. The cosmic hand of God photo was produced when a star exploded and ejected an enormous cloud of material. One of the big mysteries of this object is whether the pulsar particles are interacting with the material in a specific way to make it look like a hand, or if the material is in fact shaped like a hand, which is impossible. Scientists are in doubt. This leaves scientists completely baffled. Is it really a hand of God manifestation or just coincidence? It's like the world is being conditioned into believing the authenticity of unexplainable signs in the skies. Let us dive into a future prophecy in Revelation 13 verse 13. And it performed great signs, even causing fire to come down from heaven to the earth in full view of the people. What is this fire and its startling history behind it? Experts sound the alarm. After rare appearances of the devil bird in New York, we must act now. What does this mean? Some netizens believe that this is a sign of bad omen. Others commented it is a sign of an impending doomsday and they are looking to feed on dead carcass. But the truth is, according to a New York County birders Twitter account, the Prospect Park Anhinga is the first of its kind to be spotted in New York City since 1992. Experts told the New York Times that the Anhingas are venturing outside of their normal migration range due to rising temperatures. It is because our planet is overheating. In a beach in Sea Isle, New Jersey, an unexplained phenomena happened.
I can't even believe that.
In a video with me?
Yeah, I am. Because I've never seen anything like this.
According to her and the people present there in the beach, they have never seen anything like this. This is probably coastline erosion, but in this case, the beach was completely normal when they arrived. But at this certain point, the beach starts to disappear, literally. The people there left the area as fast as possible. We have seen phenomenon of fire in the sky, an unusual visit from a blackbird, a body of water where the beach literally is disappearing. In 1 Kings 17 verse 6, a very rare unexpected blackbird visited Elijah to feed him at the time of a climate change where there have been no rain in the land. And what happens at 1 Kings chapter 18? A showdown of fire in the sky. Bible prophecy reveals that the devil will perform a great sign through the land beast, a counterfeit fire. And at the time of sacrifice, the prophet Elijah stepped forward and prayed to the Lord God, "Let it be known today that you are God of Israel." Then the fire of the Lord fell and burned up the sacrifice, the wood, the stones, and the soil, and also licked up the water in the trench. In the final days, Satan will launch his great deception to get back at God. But this time, even Christians will be deceived.
Spirit of Elijah. Let me explain. If you look carefully, the spirit of Elijah was on John the Baptist. And I've understood that the spirit of Elijah is the spirit of reconciliation. So the protest has been over for 15 years. And I get a bit cheeky here because I challenge my Protestant pastor friends. If there is no more protest, how can there be a Protestant church? Maybe now we're all Catholics again. Maybe now we're all Catholics again. The protest is over.
Religious leaders will profess to come in the spirit of Elijah, professing that the protest is over. They have surrendered to the papal Antichrist, the lawless one. Friends, the protest is not over. Great controversy says that the saints will be brought to court to answer for their faith, and their reply will be, "Show us from the Word, the Bible, our error." When Christ returns, every island will disappear. Every island fled away and the mountains could not be found because of the great earthquake destroying everything down here, but the saints will be up there meeting Jesus in the clouds of heaven. Miracles and sensational signs are not the testing truths in the final days. The Bible and the 10 Commandments of God is the testing truth and light in this final generation. Kindly type in the comment section, "Jesus is the light of my life." Thank you, dear friends, for supporting this ministry, and may you continue to share truth in Bible prophecy.